In this video, you will learn how to move Windows 10 taskbar icons to center. Officially, there's no option available in the Windows 10 to center taskbar icon, so we're going to use nifty tool called TaskbarX. Let's learn how to use it. Launch Microsoft Store by clicking the icon available on taskbar. Using the search bar available on the upper right corner, search for TaskbarX app. Once you find the application, download and install the app on your Windows 10 PC. After installation completes, click on the Start button and then launch TaskbarX app. Doing this will instantly move taskbar icons to center. With TaskbarX app, you also get a TaskbarX configuration app using which you can customize and control the app. Just like TaskbarX app, launch TaskbarX Configurator app from Start menu. From here, you can add different style to Windows 10 taskbar. Just select the style of your choice and click Apply. Apart from this, you can manage other settings like animations for taskbar icon, taskbar icon position, task schedule. There are some other settings which you can manage. At any point, you want to bring back the taskbar icon back to normal, then click on the Stop TaskbarX button. Apart from this, you can also visit developer website. I have already added the link in the description. From where, you can download the TaskbarX zip file, extract the zip file and use it without installing the app. Also, you can visit developer GitHub page to track what's new in the TaskbarX. That's all about this video. Are you going to use TaskbarX app to center taskbar icon in Windows 10? What are your thoughts about the app? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like video and subscribe the channel for more interesting videos.